Viewers, will be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're currently up 95 basis points on the 1 hour chart. We have now approached to positive MACD and nearing overbought on the RSI. We did breach above the 200 moving average that was acting as our resistance. And since we're above resistance, that now acts as our support at the price of $1,890. If we expand that to the 4 hour chart, we are starting to approach to positive MACD and also nearing overbought on the RSI. If we extend that to the daily chart, what we have here is we now approach to negative MACD and we're starting to see signs of it converging. And we are off of oversold levels on the RSI, and we did bounce right off the 100-day moving average, this orange line. So that does act as our support if we do manage to reverse down lower at the price of $1,859. And as for resistance, if we do continue to move up higher, the next resistance will be the 50-day moving average, and that coincides with past resistance levels that date back to August 31st at around the price of $1,960. So if we do manage to climb higher, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 2.4%, and to the downside, that price movement is around 2.8%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size is going to be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be at $170.25, which is this range right here, and that coincides with past resistance levels that date back to July 9th. And since we're above resistance, that will act as our temporary support. As for my long target, that will be $182.62, and my stop loss will be $164.96. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $183.99, which is this range right here, and that coincides with past resistance levels. And my sell target for it will be $175.75, and my stop loss will be $189.70. So whichever entry hits my prices first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 40% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 4%, and a 20% chance for it to climb between 4% to 8%, and further extreme case to the upside, we have a 20% chance for it to climb between 8% to 12.6%. And to the downside, we have a 20% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.